I go to college just for the hoes.
Fool, you don't go to college be talking to no bitches. You're black, I supposed to be learning something. Can't learn shit, just talking to no stupid ass.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above. Before we start the vid, yo, let me get 500 likes on this joint and...
Yo, come on, man!
Gotta stay hydrated. This Tuesday, I'm coming up on 2 weeks no sipping.
So what?
Proud of myself. I think, like I said, I'm gonna do them 30. I'm thinking about doing more. Might do the 45. I wanted the 60, but I'm like, damn, like, I don't know. Maybe, we'll see. But anyway, man, let's get into the vid.
Turn up the bass.
Oh, hope that works, because I can't do it again. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, you already know these are the Air Jordan 6s, the defining moments, well, DMPs, defining moment pack, but no pack.
No shit.
I'm not gonna do a review. I'm just gonna give y'all some looks. I'm gonna give you a sneaker story about why I copped these joints. But let me stop procrastinating. I know y'all probably got these joints by now. Took a minute, you know what I'm saying? I already checked them out outside because I did some B-roll, you know. They look good in the light. But the quality, like this, what is it, the buck, whatever buck.
This what you want?
Not really impressed. Not really impressed. I've never actually had the OGs in my hand, so I don't know what to go off of. The only reason I did cop these is because, well, no, I just learned this today. I just learned this today. No, this is the defining moments from what is it, to honor Michael Jordan's first NBA championship back in 1991, June 12th. Oh, my bad. These joints are size 10. Like I said, I'm not doing the review. That's why I ain't do all the, you know, but y'all do want to know anything, y'all know how to read, right? Yeah. These joints was $170. I use my military discount. Shout out to all the vets out there. But anyway, so Jordan 6 is my favorite silhouette, but this is not my favorite colorway. I don't even know about top 5. You know, I doubt it, but whatever. It's not what we're talking about. So I first saw somebody rocking these joints back in 2000. I want to say 2006.
Sure.
Or it could have been 2007. I forget. It was like around that time. So, because that was when I first got my first bachelor's degree, sitting on 2 and a master's.
See, I'm washing lettuce. Soon I'll be on fries.
Anyway, yo, so yeah, so it was this cat in class. Now, I used to think he was killing me in the class because I don't know if anybody went to college. Y'all know y'all got certain days that, you know, it might be more people like in the student center or something like that. I know down south, like that's the thing, like student center used to be thick. The school I went to, I think Wednesdays was the lit days, because most of my classes I would have like the Monday, Wednesdays, and maybe like one class on Friday or maybe no class on Friday, and then the Tuesdays and Thursdays it'd be like one class, but Mondays and Wednesdays would pretty much be about 2 to 3. But anyway, so that was the days to go, especially Wednesdays. That's the day, you know, you go in. So I had a Tuesday class. It was probably a Tuesday and Thursday class, and there was really no point for me to get fly, but it was a point for the other cat to get fly. He's sitting on the other side of the room. I ain't really even speak with boy. Not that I was hating, but I was just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, he kind of killing me here because I don't really want to do nothing. But he's still killing me, you know what I'm saying? On that day. Yeah, so he had these joints, and I used to be like, dang, I didn't want to cop them then at the time, but I started realizing, well, I already knew 6s was like my favorite. So when these joints dropped this time, I was like, yo, I'm copping. And I saw Fat Joe, he had posted one time when his soul had separated out the joint, and he was like, damn, but I'm pretty sure Fat Joe could get another pair.
Of course.
But when they said that these were dropping again, I decided to go ahead and get them joints. But yeah, man, like I said, our first views, the joints are straight. I'm not really the biggest fan on like gold sneakers, anything with gold, because all my gold is like that rhodium, you know what I'm saying?
What the fuck is this? Huh? Fake gold.
Yeah, so I'm not really a big fan, even though I like gold. But anyway, yeah, I did want to get him just because, like I said, this is the defining moments from his first championship. If y'all been watching the Last Dance, that's a good joint right there, man. Shows you all them sneaks he used to hoop in, and it brings me back to when he used to, well, no, not yet. They ain't started showing when he's fucking my Knicks. And which brings me to another point. I'm really thinking about getting a Jordan jersey and bull shorts.
Shit, if I didn't mean it.
Like I said, a cool sneak. Let me know if y'all got these joints. 170 was cool for me to cop these. And like I said, no type of review. You already seen them. Y'all just want that on foot. Now let me tell you about the on foot. I'll be rocking my joints from Minimal LA. The camo joints. I wish I would have brought the olive, but I don't have them. I'm gonna rock a pair of PRPS jeans, a black pair of True Religion.
I'm fooling y'all, man.
A light pair of jeans, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna do my on foot in front of my people's swimming pool that I've never swam in before, and I know that on feet have been done in front of swimming pools, so I think I'm gonna break out a little prop. You know what I'm saying? But I won't be able to do the moonwalk and stuff like that because there ain't no the concrete. But I'm gonna still, you know what I'm saying, try to see what type of moves I can do on that damn concrete. You know? But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. Like I said, 400 likes on this joint, man. I'm gonna play it off so I can get like a thumbnail while I'm talking to y'all, you know. But yeah, let me know, did y'all go after these or not? Next joints coming out are the Jordan 5s. They already had a shock drop on those, but they're supposed to be dropping tomorrow, Saturday. The Blue Toes, them joints, they had an exclusive access, but them niggas gave me my joint exclusively late, so I had no access. But yeah, but I was trying to get those for my homeboy. I'm not really, they cool, but I'm not really worried about them, even though I do have a soccer jersey that will bang with them joints for real. But yeah, man, after the on feet, probably keep these on ice for a little while, especially till I get back to New York. I'm thinking about right now, during this quarantine, grew the beard out, and I'm really thinking about not rocking any Jordans during this quarantine time. Just something I just want to do, you know what I'm saying? I'm really thinking about it. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Y'all already know. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, everybody that's been commenting, all that. Stay tuned for the best on foot. Y'all already know. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Georgia Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
top of your girl, I gotta scream and die. One time for them faces, bees who keep the loudest of the loudest, and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans, wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get down, please keep your feet in the sand. Hold me Pete Dice with the man, need must I say it again. Hold me Pete Dice with the man, they look outside and I'm scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete, and I got a lot of ice on. You ain't got to turn the lights on. You exquisite great soul. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. That nigga dice rolling. Look how my ice frozen. She fried my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Ask might catch the hook breeze. Texas coming in now. I fuck up a good thing. Promise you I've been down. Seen all what the hook brings. Talking about whole way with all of the white. All day enjoyed it and nice. If you ain't got no dope, man, then why you talking? Why you talking? Ain't tryna put me on, man, and I ain't off it. I ain't off it. I'm tryna get my babies with daddies never gave to me. So ain't tryna pay me, just let me be. Hit them with a nice floor. That's just how the dice roll.
I do other things, man. I don't do what y'all niggas do. I don't do what niggas do. I don't watch niggas' money. I don't care. I just do what I do. That shit.